Yo, what's good guys? Welcome back to the channel. You know what I'm saying? Yeah guys, but anyways, today I see if I can get a video done guys. Whenever I write something and have writer's block guys, I see the video them I go. I have no ideas guys. I need some more comments so we can see like wanna like and stuff, you see me guys. So drop some comments. And me at the guest room, so I don't know if I hear the echo. Yeah, but I want to react to some video what me and Colaz usually do, like from a long time, like back in the 2019s. Early video there, guys. One time Colaz used to prank me, we used to prank him back. But him don't post the one them when I prank him back, you know. Him only post the one them when me prank Sham. You see me? Him not post the one them when me prank him. But it's cool, it's cool, it's cool. Yeah, but I'm gonna try get a video done today. So I'm hoping you enjoy the video. And yeah, we're gonna start the video right now. So make sure you like, share, subscribe. Boom. Guys, I don't know if you see me I try stream. I try to see if I can incorporate the laptop with the whole YouTube thing, you know what I mean? And the tutorials are not working. I try see if I can set up a stream something. Cause I want some streaming, but like not now because I have exam and everything. No, so I have C6. So yeah. So I try to get that sorted out. First, I go look at the major YouTube stuff cause you know school important and everything. Yeah, so I try to see if I can record on a laptop or something. I'm gonna show you the video them. This is not the old channel of me. Oh no, say Mr. Ashi is not the original channel we usually have back then. So most of the video them who would already watch, them not gonna show as watch. So I'm just going on the live. I'm just going on the library real quick. Oh, I can't see that. All the two videos I'm gonna react to. The top one and the second one. Alright, so we're gonna start with the second one. I'm gonna start talking about this is not guys. First of all, all of these never got intro time. The OG intro. Anybody who don't know the OG intro? Not the OG.
Come follow me to a secret place. Alright, YouTube. So right now, I'll try a little prank. You see me? So Josh there. I'll try a prank him. I send him go and buy one biscuit. You know them YOLO biscuit there? Yeah? The Oreo knockoff. Alright, so when him
Remember exactly when time I go buy this, you know. And I say, alright, everything good. Early in the morning, I get up and I say, I go buy the Oreo. Cause I say, we are gonna eat the Oreo and thing. We did kind of hungry early in the morning, you know. You gotta shop early in the morning. No, actually, it was not early in the morning. I think it was evening time. I run go buy it and come back quick because there is my phone. I never expect none of this. And anytime, you know, Mix ask me, say, yo, Josh, come make a video. Quick time, I go match that, you see me? So, I don't know. That's the first time I did this.
alright, so hopefully you will just, you know, put it in my mouth and eat it and then you get to find out say a 2-piece, alright? So if this prank is successful,
Wow.
if you like it, just leave a like, comment, share and subscribe, alright? So right now I'm going to shop and I'm soon forward, so anytime I'm forward, I'll show you how that go, alright? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to see the camera, because I'm not going to hide the camera, so. Alright, so a while ago, I have to stop record because me hear him footsteps.
Yeah. Bro.
So I want him
Me in
see
footstep.
So, him forward back.
Remember the exact biscuit. Remember this exact biscuit I'm buying.
Yo,
Remember.
Oreo
This biscuit
So what do?
take me so long to get. I think we got a shop early.
Plain.
Like and me take like 20 minutes to come back in just to get one biscuit in.
Get the
20 minutes to get one biscuit.
So,
That's how Jamaica stay. Mm-hmm. Yeah, because guess what? I think I never did have my phone at the time. No, I never did have my charger because when time I did go over my house, I did left my charger at my house, so I never did have the charger to use my phone, so my phone is basically useless. So I did have to use film phone, and I don't know, some love play a game already sometime. Well, I don't know, but my fam know, I love play a game, so yeah, I don't like say, I'm not gonna say yes, I'm gonna play the game on my phone, but if me did know say him that prank me, yeah. So basically I show you how I remove the toothpaste. Basically I show you how I remove the toothpaste. And put the toothpaste. Wow. If we did ever know say that, if we did ever know say that, I do. I would not go buy no biscuit. I would not go buy no biscuit. Yeah. But everything good still. But they are plan for prank you, you know. But we not spoil that. We not spoil that. You come sit down, not even knowing say you wanna try prank me. But they just sit down peacefully, happy. You come look happy. And then I say, yeah, ready for the video now. Come on, what kind of video is this? This was the video, guys. Prank. Prank. Look how me the clip too.
see, wow, catch fish.
Where?
So I didn't get swim. When's your partner?
Fishing, yes. And we did go fishing.
Got it?
I can't find back that video there though. Yo! Alright, so we'll pause it. Look, we never did know say toothpaste in there, right? Never know say toothpaste in there. We come lick them dry, I'm hungry. Jeez, I'm crying. Watch it. Look for your face. Bro. I must get back this year. I promise you that. I'm gonna catch him back, but you just can't do it when time you know. You have to do it when time you know. You just catch him. Wow. Lord, bro. Watch out. Easy. Bro.
Bro, two fish.
You come and see them cooking whenever I even have a break. Video 5 minutes long. Skip that. I think I did watch this video. Oh yeah, actually this video is the thumbnail video. So the man we see right there so is actually the man and the Colaz Smith top and the Colaz Smith and the Colaz Smith profile. Yeah. But me and him always talk, and I wonder if the man actually know same up on the profile. Like how cool would that be? Like the man actually realize say he's up on the profile of a big channel. That kinda cool. Not gonna lie, bro. But anyways, I'm past video.
Spell bud. G-E-T spell get. Put them together, what you get?
Oh yeah, actually, it's a try not to laugh, so we're not gonna laugh. We're not gonna laugh. We're gonna show them, say, well, me I gonna show them, say, me I get back my revenge. Me I make your video look unfunny now. Make your video look unfunny. Watch it.
But get.
Nah laugh. We're not laughing at that. We're not laugh. Yeah. This is what you get for pranking me, bro. I'm not laughing for your video no more. Touch up time, actually.
Alright guys, so we're back at it again in the street. Here we're going now. We go out and we ask people two simple questions. The man them, we ask them where and a woman's body them can find them uterus, you see me? And then we ask them, the females them, we ask the females them where, and the man body you can find them scrotum. Yeah, and we ask them if B-U-D spell bud, G-E-T spell get. When you put them together, where you get? We ask how much of them actually are going to get the right answer, you see me? Yeah man, so we out here and do it again man. Yeah, it's a good look. Alright my boss, so first thing, tell me your name.
Clive.
Daniel Young.
Which one?
My name is Danalee.
I am
We're not laughing, guys. We're not laughing. As a matter of fact, I forget some water. Yeah, to make sure someone don't laugh. Bet, we're gonna do that.
Ryan.
Lacey.
Hannah-Lisa.
Name Reagan.
Alright Reagan, so today the question is this. Where on a female's body them uterus found? So where on the female body can you find their uterus?
I really know still no.
Take a guess.
The mom.
The womb. Where on a male's body is his scrotum found?
Where on the male's body is scrotum found? What is a scrotum?
I don't learn about that yet at school.
Okay.
Don't put me on camera, I don't know this.
What we want to know is this. Where on a woman's body is her uterus located?
Where upon our body our uterus look. You know, in that section, in the midsection, torso section. I said necessarily part of the body, but in that section. That'd be my answer.
But a whole heap of something in that section is still, you know, so kind of narrow it down, look at man.
You know, so I can't go narrower than that still.
Where on a male's body is the scrotum found?
Panning balls, inner balls.
Good job.
So what you say? What you say?
I said the same thing.
Inner balls.
Alright, so today what we want to know is where on a woman's body is the uterus found?
And our body.
In our Where on a woman's body you can find our uterus?
It's also in our room.
Repeat.
Our room.
Not this time.
If B-U-D spell bud, G-E-T spell get, when I put two of them together, what you get?
Budget.
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 Bud get.
No. No. He wasn't ready.
What you get?
Oh, budget. Budget.
If B-U-D spell bud, right? G-E-T spell get. When I put two of them together, what you get?
Get bud.
About get which one? Which one come first?
What you say again?
Which one first? About get?
About get.
Yeah.
Boy, if you don't get
Alright, so you don't know, say Donnelly, aka Brandy.
can't drink my juice now. But make the promise, guys. I never laugh. Never laugh. Anyways, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Don't know say we try to make bangers, but sometime in a workout, isn't me, guys? But we try to make bangers them so we can enjoy the video them. So if you like the video, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Make sure to subscribe to Colaz TV too. If don't, most of them probably come from Colaz TV. Yeah, so make sure to check out Colaz TV and Glamour Adventures and JC's World. Them always in the description, so check them out. Yeah, make sure to subscribe to Mr. Ashley too. You see me? Yeah, that's it. Big up on yourself, guys. Hope you have a good holiday. And send bun for me, guys. Yes.